In this video, I'll share an amazing DIY project that's simple, fun to create, and easy to try at home with basic items. Remove the needle from the syringe, take off the backside, and cut the syringe from the top. This is a simple yet fun trick. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more creative ideas. After cutting the syringe, use scissors to smooth out the edges for a clean finish. Take a balloon, cut it in the middle, and stretch it over the syringe. Take a piece of tape, cut it, and wrap it around the syringe to secure the balloon tightly, ensuring it won't come off when stretched. Don't forget to share this simple idea with your friends and family, and be sure to leave a comment on the video. Now, take a stick, insert it into the syringe, pull it back using the balloon, and release it. The stick will shoot straight towards your target. Take a plastic bottle, remove its cap, and make a small hole in the center of the cap. This is another small and fun idea. I hope you'll love all these ideas, and don't forget to share them with your friends. Now, take a small stick and insert it into the hole in the cap. Ensure the stick fits tightly into the hole so it stays securely in place. Now, hold the stick firmly and spin it forcefully. The cap will rotate along with it. This creates a simple and fun spinning toy that's easy to make and enjoy. Take a small wooden stick and sharpen it using a sharpener. After sharpening, shape it to look like a pencil. Once the stick is shaped like a pencil, smooth out any rough edges for a clean finish. Now, apply glue to one stick and attach the second stick on top of it. Press the sticks together firmly and let the glue dry completely to ensure they are securely attached. Take a rubber band and place it between the two sticks, then wrap tape around it tightly to secure the band and ensure it stays firmly in place. Once the tape is wrapped securely, test the setup to ensure the rubber band is firmly attached and functional. Now, apply glue to the other end of the stick and attach a clipper securely. Let the glue dry completely to ensure the clipper is securely attached and ready for use. Now, take a stick and wrap tape around its top end for better grip and durability. Make sure the tape is wrapped tightly so it doesn't come off during use. This simple addition will help you hold the stick comfortably and improve control. Now your DIY project is ready. Be sure to share it with your friends and have fun. Now, hook the stick into the rubber band, pull it back, and release it to launch it from the clip. Now, aim carefully at your target, and your shot will hit the exact spot perfectly. This fun and simple DIY launcher is sure to impress your friends and family. I'm about to share a very creative idea with you. I hope you'll definitely share this idea with your friends and family. Apply glue to a spinner and attach two sticks to it securely. Make sure the sticks are fixed firmly so they don't come loose while spinning. Now, take the backside part of a syringe and cut it slightly. Apply glue to the spinner and firmly fix the syringe part onto it. Let the glue dry completely to ensure the syringe part is securely attached to the spinner. Once dry, your DIY spinner assembly is ready to use and enjoy. Now, place your mobile on this spinner assembly and give the spinner a gentle spin. This serves as both a simple and creative mobile stand as well as a fun spinner setup. This handy mobile stand not only holds your phone securely but also adds a playful spin to your desk. Try making this easy DIY spinner mobile stand at home, and impress your friends with your creativity. Take a plastic bottle cap and make a hole in the center using an iron soldering tool. Be careful while using the soldering iron to avoid burns and ensure a clean, precise hole. After making the hole in the cap, take a sharpener, apply glue on it, and attach the sharpener to the cap. Press firmly and let the glue dry completely to ensure the sharpener is securely fixed to the cap. Now, tightly screw the cap onto the plastic bottle. Take a pencil and sharpen it using the sharpener. The pencil shavings will fall inside the bottle instead of outside, keeping things clean. This simple hack keeps your workspace neat and makes sharpening pencils mess-free. Take a plastic bottle and cut off the top using a saw. Make sure to cut carefully and evenly to avoid any sharp edges. After cutting, smooth the edges with sandpaper or a cloth to prevent any injuries. After rubbing with sandpaper, apply glue to the bottle's cut top and fix the second top onto it securely. Press the two pieces firmly together and let the glue dry completely for a strong bond. After fixing both caps together, remove one cap and mark it using a marker for reference. Now, use a cutter to carefully cut along the marked area. Ensure the cut is precise and smooth for a clean finish. This is a simple yet unique idea for storing small items. Make sure to give it a try. Don't forget to share this creative idea with your friends and family. After cutting the cap, you can place your small items inside. Once the items are stored, securely tighten the cap on top. This handy storage hack is perfect for organizing your small items. Practical, simple, and creative. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative hacks. See you in the next video.